Okay, in this video we have some angle conversions. First one some degrees to radians, second one 2 degrees, and the third one 2 degrees. So at any time you want to pause the video, see if you can do these. These are pretty basic. And here are your main formulas. 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So I break up this 180 into 180 times 1 degree. 1 degree then will equal to pi over 180, and that's in radians. That's one conversion. Or I can divide by pi in the first one. 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees over pi. So let's look at the first one then. We can say then that 240 degrees is equal to 240 times 1 degree. As we saw a while ago, 1 degree can be replaced by pi over 180. One of your conversion formulas. 1 degree is pi over 180. And then just reduce this. Cancel that right there. And divide by 6 here. 6 into 18 is 3. 6 into 24 is 4. So we get 4 pi over 3. And usually the radians is understood. If I don't have a unit, that's understood to be radians. Sometimes you'll see some text will put radian there, but this is pi over 3 radian. And it wants the answer in multiple of pi, so we have it there. Now the next one, anytime you have something like where the pi is already there, 5 pi over 12, you can replace the pi by 180. We could just write this as 5 times 180. You can divide this out. 6 into that is 30. 6 into this will go 2. And of course 2 will go into 30 15 times. So this is going to give us 75 degrees. And that's just replacing the pi by 180. Now this is your solution for this one here. Now some students have problems when they just see the number 2 and they don't know what that is, 2 or 3 or 42 without any units. Well, if it doesn't have the units, that's radians. So don't read this as 3.2. It's the third problem, so this is what we're trying to convert. And that's 2 radians. So again, we look at this. 180 is equal to pi radians. So 1 radian so pi radians. So I divide through by pi. So that would tell me that 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi. So then I would just take my calculator and say it's going to be okay. This is 2 radian. 2 times 1 radian, so replace a 1 radian by 180 over pi. So this is multiplying by 2, so it'll be 180 times 2 divided by pi. So we'll go second here. And I get 114.59. 114.59 to 2 places. And that's degrees. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.